Sweetsparkle, so their paper has shimmery sparkles in it, which is really cute. Oh, it says, "Hey Pretty" on the inside when I opened it. Alright. Yes, and I was needing new lashes. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click the like button. Go back to my previous videos. I don't know how to link up at the top. I've been doing videos since 2009 maybe. It's been a long time. Still don't know how to link. I'll try to figure it out, but if I do, I'll put the giveaway link up there, because as soon as I hit 1K, I have a big giveaway. And it showed some stuff, but I didn't have everything. Now, I mean, I still don't have everything. I'm still adding stuff constantly. But since y'all saw the video, I have a watercolor Wonder eyeshadow palette, which is really, it's got some real pretty pastel-y colors in it. I've got Better Than Sex mascara. Oh, well, I think I mentioned it before. I have the eye masks from Black to go under. I think there's another mascara over there too, a L'Oreal, but they're sample. It's a sample. Oh, I wanted to mention too on my lips real fast. I also used this. The Instantly Sexy Lips Lip Injection Extreme by Too Faced. Other than it makes them redder, I don't know that I could really tell that I used it. And thank you ColourPop for sending me all my lovely stuff. And until next time, I will see you later. Okay. Hey everybody, it's Jeannie. Oh, you lovely, beautiful people. That's stupid. I don't know why I say that. Everybody's beautiful. Even old people like me can be beautiful at times. Okay. Everybody does these subscription boxes, and I hear about BoxyCharm and Ipsy, which I get Ipsy. But I subscribed to Sigma Mystery Box, which was $15, and that came in today. And then Sweetsparkle, which is a monthly box, for $24.50. I paid for the 3-month, so I think I saved like $1 a box or something. So, which is really funny. Sigma came in this big giant box, light as ever, and in it though, their mystery box comes like this. So I got some magic brush shampoo. They put their words together. It's kind of hard to say. Okay, they sent me a chart with all the Sigma brushes and stuff, which is really nice. And then in here, I have not opened this yet. This is my mystery haul. Let's see. Okay, I got another, another brush shampoo. It's different, the package though, isn't it? Yeah, they're both, the packages are different, but it's the same thing. And I got because I haven't looked at this yet. So Sigma Premium Mystery Haul, and I guess this tells me everything that's in here. So I had those. Okay, I got the Sigma Small Tapered Blending E45, and then that is valued at $11. I got a Highlight Duo. Goddess Glow is the name of this one. Let me get it out. I'm not going to swatch it because I don't know if I'm going to keep it or if I'll put it in the giveaway. But that's the Sigma Glow, which is really pretty. It's got the, I guess you can see the 2 different shades pretty well there. And that is a $9 value. Okay, and then I have an eyeliner pencil in Nutmeg, which is good because I like the brown nutmeg. It's kind of hard to see. It looks like it's metallic. Let me look at the end. It is. It's metallic. I'm not going to swatch it because, again, I may not keep it. It might be going into my giveaway, so be sure y'all check that out. It's constantly growing. Every day I'm adding new products to it in addition to what I already have shown in the video. And then this is Lip Vex Professional Makeup Collection. Oh, I forgot to see that. And this, it's all heart. It is a $7 value. Which I will swatch this one because I don't have a lot of lip product. Oh, it's like a, it's glossy, like a lip gloss. What does it say? It's just called All Heart, which is a kind of a nude color there. Okay, so that was that one. I'm pretty excited about that. For 15 bucks, I thought that's pretty good because the brush alone was $11. And then I got a full-size lipstick, a full-size, I put it in the wrong spot, but a full-size eyeliner, full-size duo highlighter duo, and then the 2 shampoos. A full-size is valued at $15. Even though these are 2 samples, which is good because my brushes are dirty and I need to clean them. Okay, now I'm going to move on. This is how this box arrived. Well, it was in another, like a outer package, I guess you could say, but I have not opened it. This is it. This is my Sweetsparkle. We open it and it starts off, it has a card in it with the value of everything. Ooh, I'm already in love. Dauntless lashes. This is LA Splash Dauntless Lashes Extra. 10 bucks on that. Here is a Kokie matte lipstick titled High Tea. How do you open it? I don't want to break it. There we go. Ooh, that is very pretty. Put it next to the other one. It's actually almost, it looks red or orangey red there, but it's really, it's tea. It's a nudie color. So I'm happy about that. And that is a $6 value. Then I have Be a Bombshell Liquid Eyeliner Blacklisted. This is $8. If I can figure out how to open it. Oh, how cute. I don't do liquid eyeshadow, but now that I have one, I may try. Because I do sort of, I don't know if you want to call that wing out, but I just use the shadow. I don't make wings with liner per se, but we may try. So again, that eyeliner is metallic liner too, Blacklisted, 8 bucks. We had the Kokie for $6, the Fantastic Eyelashes for $10, but I'm not done. There's more in this box. This here is, it's wrapped up. Manna Kadar Beauty. This is a bronzer highlighter duo. This is $21, it says, for that. And then there is another little product. What is this? A Steve Laurent something. And I don't know if these are full size. I'm assuming that they are, but I'm going to have to research and see. I still don't know what this is. Steve Laurent. This is, ooh, gorgeous. That is a beautiful eyeshadow. And this is Blueberry is the color, Steve Laurent, like I said, and this is $16. So just the Manna Kadar at 21 almost covered the whole box, because it was, for me, it was $23.50. I like the little card. So this is Sweetsparkle. Again, really excited about the products that I got in here. Can't wait to try the Steve Laurent. So that will probably be one of my next tutorials. Because I don't think I've done, well, I think I do have a blue one, but not a real blue. Let me make sure there's nothing else in here. No. And it's cute because Sweetsparkle, so their paper has shimmery sparkles in it, which is really cute. Oh, it says, "Hey Pretty" on the inside when I opened it. Alright. Yes, and I was needing new lashes. So, I'm excited. I still can't believe the Sigma came in that huge box. I mean, why didn't they just stick that in a little envelope? But it's alright. I'm still excited. Got some really cool stuff. I will link down the Sigma mystery box. I don't have a discount code or anything, but I will put the links in there. And then the Sweetsparkle. I might have a code actually with them that gives, if somebody signs up under me, it might give them a little discount. It won't give me anything, but it'll give y'all a discount. So I will check into that before I do it. That is it for now. So again, subscribe to my channel, like my video. Even if you don't like me, like my video. What's I gonna say? Oh, I have the giveaway again. Like I said, some of this stuff that I just reviewed may go in the giveaway, so be sure to check out that video. I will try to either be in the bottom description, which it will be, but I will try to link it up here. And that is it. Y'all have a lovely night.